you buy this cold plunge, we are going to show you how it's set up, and we are going to transform this space into this right here. As we are unboxing everything, you'll notice that it does not come with an inflatable chair, even though the listing promises it. But the actual instructions are absolutely worthless. It's fraught with spelling errors and spelling mistakes, and they don't even get the parts right. So in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly step by step how to put this together, and hopefully this short video will save you an hour of having to undo everything, realizing that the rods are different lengths, they look the same, they don't correspond to the instructions correctly. So let's start off with step number 1, which is to lay out the entire tub as best as possible. Of course, there's no structure, but as you can see, the plug is in the back right over there, and you've got the white plug right here. So there's the end here, and then there is the end here. So step number 1 is getting this guy right here, which you can see there is a rubberized cap on the bottom, and that is gonna go on one end right here, and then the other is going to go on the other end, like so. Now that we have the rods on the very end, we are going to install 4 support rods on the sides. And so you will see, I've already supported 2, one there and one there. And if you're wondering which one are the support rods, those are the ones that look like this. You'll see that there is the little button right up here, but there's no little button down here. The other ones are much shorter. So the support rods are the longest ones, and you will see that these 2 will correspond to this and this on the other side. Step number 3, you're going to be placing these T connectors on top of the rods. However, important note, they're sneaky, they don't really mark the 2 connectors that need to go on the end. So I just wanted to show you right here. As I put them like so, you can kind of see a difference with these guys. See how they're curved? You're gonna take these curved ones, and these 2 curved, not the 4 straight ones, but the 2 curved ones are going to be going on the end. That the end, or where your feet are gonna be, this corresponds with this right over here. The other curved one is going to go at the head. And the last remaining 4 on the sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, corresponds with the remaining T connectors. Well, let's get some structure to this bad boy. Get these curved rods, and these are going to be going there, and then that one is going to correspond there, and then there and there. So basically at the heads and at the feet, you're gonna have 2 there and then 2 there. With the ends in place, now we get this rod, which has a little spring there, and that is going to go right here. With those cross rods in place, now we go down to the bottom. See these little elbow connectors? That's gonna go here, and then we're going to connect this to that, and then also do it on the other side.
It's bigger than
If you happen to have an extra elbow connector, I don't know why they included that. They didn't include anything else extra, but hopefully some poor soul is not missing his elbow connector, because I got 5 instead of the required 4. Now, let's move on to putting this over here all the way around. As you pull the lip over the edge, there is Velcro that connects like so, or according to the directions, it says valgus top using Velcro paste. That pretty much concludes the installation. Just be sure that this is plugged all the way, as well as this plug right here. Now do keep in mind that the included pipe for drainage, it comes off really easily, so I would recommend throwing a zip tie on there. Here is the final verdict. As you can see, it's holding water just fine. It's not leaking. The last thing I want to point out is somewhere there is a review that says the inflatable backrest is awfully nice. This does not come with an inflatable backrest. So for that, 1 out of 5 stars, simply because it's bad marketing and bad advertising. It's just flat out false. Also, when you look at the pictures, it shows that it comes with a box. The box on the picture looks like it's the size of this, like absolutely huge. Nope, The box is about the size of 2 shoe boxes put together. But overall, I mean, it's holding water, so maybe 1 out of 5 stars is too much. I would say 2 out of 5 stars. Hope this helps.